Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami boat, just like this one. This model is similar to another one I've taught before, but the coolest thing about this version is that it can be made with almost any size or type of paper. You can use a rectangle, a square, full A4 sheets, notebook paper, whatever you prefer. With the paper in this position, first fold it in half. Then unfold it. Next, fold the bottom and top side to the middle. Now we fold both sides to the middle again. And then unfold everything. We fold it in half again. And then fold the first layer along the first crease here. Let's go to the other side. And fold this layer down as well. Next, we'll fold this smaller corner here. To do this, we fold only 1/3 of the left side to this first crease here. And then we fold this bottom corner as well. This time folding the remaining 2/3. We are going to repeat the same step on the right side. First we fold the smaller top corner. And then the larger bottom corner. Now we're going to fold the 2 folds on the right side, folding to the same crease. We can start this time with the larger one. Then we'll fold the smaller one as well. And that's it. Let's go to the other side and repeat the same process. First we fold all 4 corners. And since the paper is now in the opposite direction, we will fold again the folds on the left side. Try folding this section using the previous folds as a guide. This way both sides will be the same. Finishing this section, we'll fold the first layer using this crease here. and then fold it up. Let's go to the other side and repeat the same process. We fold the paper in the first crease and then fold it up at the second. With that done, we move to this side and open the middle section. Keeping the paper in this position, we'll fold the left corner just to create a guide. Unfold it. Let's go to the other side and open the two center layers. Now let's move to the back of the boat and reinforce these three creases here, making this part rectangular. We can open the other side a little more as well. And there you have it, our paper boat is ready. You can still adjust the details a bit if you like, creating an even better result, but that's the idea. A very easy model to make, very beautiful, and that floats really well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.